I want to go back to a piece that you mentioned toward the beginning of kind of like your why of creating a podcast. And I know there's like so many different people out there that are starting podcasts, likely not all for the same reason. So something that I think I have quoted for you is like, we wanted to connect with people that we work with. Something like that is what you said. And I'm curious what you meant by that. If you could elaborate on who specifically it is that you're trying to connect with. Are you trying to get in front of new people? Is it just the people that are inside your organization, et cetera? Like, who is it that you're really doing this podcast for?
Yeah, our podcast has evolved, and I think that is something that is worthwhile for people to know as well. However it's going to start doesn't have to be how it ends. So you'll go through an evolution. And for us, it initially started with the idea that we value connection with our clients. So we work with clients on a regular basis. We're a person, human development kind of organization. So we work with a lot of people, and a lot of people come through our door, and they would see us for the time they're seeing us. If it was a one-day or multi-day program, they'll see us for that time. But we wanted to be able to, once they left, stay in connection in some way, stay in their brain a little bit, so they didn't forget about us and we didn't forget about them. So we put out the podcast with the intention that everyone who came would have access to this. And we would say, now, if you want to stay in touch, this is a way. Every week we throw out a new episode. So you want to hear more from us and more ideas? This is how. This will grow your experience. But what we found is, as the pandemic hit and our in-person work reduced, we went into the digital world, that we realized that actually our message is valuable to others. So recently it's grown a little bit more. We've done more emphasis on work and trying to grow audience, but very much initially it was about connecting our existing clients.